In this video, I'm going to show you how to add content with blocks in Squarespace 7.1 using Fluid Engine, step by step. If you're building a modern website and want to place text, images, buttons, videos, forms, or audio exactly where you want them, this is one of the most useful Squarespace skills you can learn. And before we jump in, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Squarespace tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're inside your account, navigate to the page you want to update. This could be your homepage, an about page, a services page, or any other page you want to edit. When you find the correct page, click the edit button in the top left corner of the window. This opens the page editor so you can begin making changes. Now scroll to the horizontal section where you want to add content. In Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine, each section gives you a flexible grid layout, which makes it easy to place content exactly where you need it. Once you're in the right section, look to the top left corner of that specific section and click the Add Block button. As soon as you click it, a menu will pop up showing all of the available block types. You'll see options like text, image, button, video, form, audio, and more. This is where you decide what kind of content you want to add to the page. If you want to write something, choose a text block. If you want to display media, choose image or video. If you want to collect leads, choose a form. And if you want to add a call to action, a button block is usually the best choice. Go ahead and click the block you want to use. The block will instantly appear in the upper left corner of the section. At first, it may not be in the perfect spot, but that's completely normal because Fluid Engine is designed for drag and drop placement. Next, click and hold the center of the block, then drag it anywhere within the section. As you move it around, you'll notice a blue background grid appear. This grid is very helpful because it shows you how the block aligns within the section and helps you place it neatly alongside other content. Take your time here and position the block wherever it looks best. You can place it higher, lower, farther left, or farther right depending on the layout you want to create. This flexibility is one of the biggest advantages of Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine because you're not locked into a rigid layout. If you need to change the size of the block, click the block once to reveal its blue outline. Then grab any of the blue handles on the edges or corners and drag them outward or inward. This allows you to resize the block so it fits your design perfectly. The block will snap cleanly to the grid columns, which helps keep everything aligned and professional looking. That snapping behavior is really useful because it keeps your layout organized without needing any extra design tools. Whether you're building a simple section or a more advanced page layout, resizing blocks gives you more control over how your content appears on screen. Once you're happy with the placement and size, you can continue adding more blocks to the same section. Just repeat the same process. Click, add block, choose the content type, drag it into position, and resize it if needed. You can build out entire page sections this way with text next to images, buttons under headlines, or forms alongside calls to action. And that's how you add content with blocks in Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it gives you a lot of creative control over your page design. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Squarespace walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.